ano, yung doon lang tayo. Dali na naman. Nakakainis dito. Mag-exercise ka naman. Ano kayo ito? Doon lang tayo sa gitna. Tayo, madali na. Kung nagmamadali ka na, tapos na tayo dapat. Dadaanan natin ito kada kanto yun, oh. Tayo na, dali na. Tamad naman mga. Tayo na, minsan ka lang maglakad. Gusto mo na maglakad tayong dalawa?
Ayoko nga.
Dali na. Ito ko. Lala.
Sawayan mo ko. Hanggang doon lang. Hanggang doon lang kayo. Diyos, kita mo yan. Tama yan. Video na nga kita.
Hindi man tayo lalakad ng mabilis. Tayo dali lang.
Tumakit ka doon dali. Ibibidyoan ka din. Tumakit ka nga doon.
Dali na.
Ibibidyo nga kita. Maganda. Hanggang doon lang nga. Naiiyak nga ako.
Dali na papagod.
Dito ang kakit dito. Tamo may spider. Ikaw na ako. Dapat ka kayo na. Oh, dito na lang. Tama na to.
Lady! Ayun na, sa kabila na tayo. Gandahan lang. Huwag ka dyan! Dito ka sa kabila! Doon ka sa kabila, ba't yung saan pumunta? Let's go na. Dali na. Dali na. Tayo na. Gusto ko doon tayo sa picture sa kapto. Sige, tingnan niyo po yan.
Kung ako yung naiihina.
May timba ng pintura doon, wala namang camera dito.
Sino mga tasyo?
Oo na.
Akit Na-video ko yun.
Ba't mo pinidyo yan? Burahin mo yan. Ulitin mo.
Sino na?
You can do it inside? Wow! Go down now. You can do it that way. Wow, you're flexible.
Smile.
You still fit to that one? Wow, you're so sexy.
Look at your sweat.
Mommy didn't know how to ano na. Look at Jaden. Mommy, look at Jaden. He know how to walk na.
I know. Go, Jada, go! Run, dali.
That one too. Wow! Wow! Oh, you cannot jump. Oh,
He will not jump.
it's not out there. You can do it? You can go up? You can go up?
Yeah.
You can go up? You can do it?
Another part.
Yeah. But that one is for 10 years old.
Where's the big one?
That is for 10 years old.
I watched it go. But I'm just alone. I'm almost
Oh,
years old.
yeah, almost. Really?
How can we, when I was up here.
Yeah.
When I'm 8, I'm 9. When I'm 9, I was 10.
Yeah.
Now I can play there with the small part.
Yeah, when you get 10, you can play there. Be careful. Slow down, you getting tired. You walk like in the moon. You're walking in the moon.
Moon. I like to go to the moon. We're going to the spaceship.
Yeah. You want to go to the spaceship?
Spaceship. Oh my gosh. This is 5 million. This is big. Look at that.
This way.
Which way? This way.
No, this way.
This way. Not this way. This way.
We will touch the water. You want to touch the water?
Yes.
Okay.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. I almost believe you. Have you ever seen this before? Jason is so happy today.
Oh my God, I'm wrong. Not here, the other side.
Dad, are you kidding me? The other side? I look so crazy. You're meaning, Daddy.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
That is for tired people. What's wrong with this?
We can just sit down if you want to sit down, okay?
You're drunk, Daddy. Are you silly? This way.
If you're tired, let's sit down, okay?
It's this way.
Tell me how if we will sit down.
Okay. I want to see a grasshopper.
Grasshopper?
Yeah.
I don't know if there is grasshopper here. I did not saw it when I go up.
Grasshoppers are nice.
They have only flowers like this.
It's this way. It's this way.
Yeah.
You're
See?
mean.
Look at. Look at. Almost. You see almost, right?
Look at that one. There are cheese benches.
Really?
Yeah.
Uh,
It's so crazy.
let's
I thought you were going to.
let's sing.
I thought we were going to have a fun day in there.
Where?
A lot of things.
Which one?
Things are amazing. I thought we were going to. I'm very scared that
Where?
everything. That I'm very scared.
Nothing to be scared. What is scared here? There is a light. Nothing to
There's
scared.
no light there.
There is nothing. But here, there is.
Look, we're almost in the covers.
Oh my God. See, we're almost.
And we would die.
Where are we gonna go?
It's there.
See? They go up also.
Oh no. Oh no, you sure you will go up there? You sure you will go up there?
Where?
There. Why is it stuck in
Oh, let's go here in the water.
the water?
Here.
In the water?
Let's sit down first. Sit down.
How am I to keep that?
Wow.
How am I to go touch the water?
Just go up here. Okay, go up. You go up here in the chair, Gida. It's tall here, tall, right? I don't know how. So what now? We will go back now or we will go up more? Up or down? Huh? We will go down na? Finish?
I don't like in here.
So finish na. We will not go up, no? No more up?
Daddy, can we eat? But not here. I want something yummy here.
Okay, I will
But
ask you.
not
No?
here, not here.
Okay.
Not here, okay?
Okay.
Not here. But I want a yummy thing.
Yeah. We will not go up, huh? No more. Okay, let's go down.
Look at this witches.
Yeah.
Look at the flowers. Oh my god, that's a grasshopper.
Yeah. No, it's a cricket. That is a cricket. That one.
Don't
Don't shout
shout it.
na.
Pew, pew, pew. It looks like a bee.
No, that is a cricket. It will jump to your face.
It looks like a cockroach. Bark!
Let's go, let's go.
I will give.
Bye-bye, Mr. Cricket. Bye-bye.
Bye bye, Mr. Cricket. Bye, Mr. Cricket. But it's the grasshoppers
Yeah, he is hopping also, but he is not a grasshopper. He is a cricket.
What is a cricket?
A cricket is a brown color. The grasshopper is green color. And we have like this, a sword.
Sword?
It's like a sword.
Yeah.
Be careful, Utoy. Utoy, be careful. You want to hold in the ano?
No,
Hold in the handle.
I saw that one.
What's that? Oh, it's a flower.
A yellow flower.
Yeah, it's a bell pepper. It's a bell flower.
I thought it was a national. Because
Huh?
it's national.
I don't know. That is the national
Yes,
flower?
go down. That is different. I
Oh.
thought it was beautiful. Look at
Mhm.
the flower. Oh no, look at the flower. It's
There is. There's no flower. It's only bougainvillea.
the flower.
Which one?
Look at the flower.
Yeah, this one, the white color, is beautiful.
Where?
This one,
Also, this black.
red and white.
Wait, I already know. Green. White one is for Mary.
I don't know.
Look at the flower. Roses. Look
Yeah.
Look at the roses.
There's no roses here.
Look at
That is bougainvillea.
Buddha.
Bougainvillea.
Look at Daddy. And then look at color.
That is the same, bougainvillea. There are 3 types of like that. 4 types. There are purple,
Daddy.
white, red, and yellow.
Daddy.
Oh,
Look at.
yeah. Sometimes it's orange. They have orange also. Yeah, it's a yellow bell flower.
What way did you go?
Huh?
This one?
What's that?
What's that?
Nothing. It's up there. Let's go na, dali. We will eat na. Ask mommy, we eat something nice.
It's something delicious.
Yeah.
Like McDonald's.
Is that delicious?
I want rice.
Oh my God.
I want rice.
You want rice?
Yeah.
You too much hungry na?
I want to go home and eat rice.
Oh my, Jaden is hungry too much now.
McDonald's. Oh, for me, I want to eat rice at McDonald's.
You want to what?
I want McDonald's.
You want to eat rice in McDonald's?
And
Luto,
also
you
me.
said.
I want also McDonald's. Yummy McDonald's.
But there is no rice in McDonald's, only KFC. Right?
I want McDonald's.
Yeah, I will ask mom.
Also me. And I have rice and spaghetti and juice and a toy.
Okay.
Also me, I want a toy. I want a basic toy.
You want rice instead?
I want toys.
Okay. Huh?
I want big
Yeah.
things. I want big things toys. Daddy,
Dubai?
Dubai. Abu Dhabi have. Does Abu Dhabi have McDonald's?
Yeah, all, everything. Okay.
Which one I put? Here?
Oh, you're the same? You have another, that one?
Here?
Oh,
Here, Daddy? Daddy! Daddy, here? Here?
yeah.
Here?
I don't know.
Here.
Oh, yeah, I don't know.